In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean embedded contact form on your Google Sites page, ready for visitors to reach you with just a few quick actions and a couple of helpful tips to make it look great. First, open your site in Google Sites. Head into the editor for the site you want to update and navigate to the page where you want the contact form to live. Many people place it on a contact page or at the bottom of a home page, but choose whatever makes sense for your layout. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add content to the page. Think about the space you'll give the form. It should be easy to find and not crowded by other sections. Next, click Insert, then Forms, select your form, and click Insert. You'll find Insert in the right-hand sidebar of the site's editor. When you choose Forms, a picker opens showing the Google Forms associated with your account. If you already created a contact form in Google Forms, it will appear here. Choose the one you want visitors to fill out, making sure it has the fields you expect, like name, email, and message. After you click Insert, the form appears on your page as an embedded block, ready to be styled within your layout. The embed reflects your form's current design and will automatically stay up to date if you make changes to the form later in Google Forms. Now resize the form and click Publish. Use the blue grab handles around the embed to adjust the width so it aligns well with your page content. Aim for a comfortable reading width so fields don't feel cramped or stretched. A balanced layout helps people complete the form without friction. Adjust the height so the entire form feels natural on the page, leaving enough space above and below for headings or supporting text you may already have. When it looks right, go to the top right of the editor and click Publish. This pushes your changes live to your site, and visitors will immediately see the contact form. Submissions will go to the responses area you've set up in Google Forms, so you can review messages as they come in. That's it, you opened your site, inserted the form, resized it to fit your layout, and published. Your Google Sites page now has a functional, modern contact form powered by Google Forms, with no extra plugins or code required.